Hi, this is Richard, and I'm back with another Photoshop tip. This time we're going to continue the retouching here of this woman's face, and we're going to do some skin softening, okay, using a very simple technique. So you can see from this group that this group of layers here that I've already done some eye enhancements like that underneath the eyes, just underneath. And now we're going to do skin softening. So I will do a Command J to duplicate the layer, and I will retitle this layer Skin, let's see, Skin Softening. Okay, and now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Great, so now we're in Camera Raw, and I'm just going to drop down the clarity here on this image so that we get much smoother skin, but I don't want to go so far that we can't see any pores anymore, because if we go too far, like something like this, it can start to look kind of plastic-like. So I'm going to go to maybe 63 or so, negative 63. That's looking a lot smoother. And this is the before and after view here of this. So I'll hit OK. There we go. And now you can see that the skin is much smoother and softer than it had been before, but we have a problem. The problem now is that we are softening everything. That includes the hair, the actual eyes, the teeth, the lips, and these are areas we don't want to soften. So what I'm going to do is select this layer mask here, and I already have black as my current color, and I have the brush tool, hit B for the brush tool. So what I'm going to do is paint in black on this mask to show through to the bottom layer. As you see, the bottom layer is the one with all the skin in its original condition. So it'll show through to the bottom layer. So I'll paint with black right here. You can see the teeth are becoming unsoftened. Also the lips, I don't want the lips softened. So we'll paint with black there. I'm going to paint with black over the eyes. I'll use the brackets, the hard bracket keys there to adjust the brush size. I'm going to paint over the eyes in black to get the eyes to be sharp. Also paint over the eyebrows here. Eyebrows, I want those to be sharp, so we'll remove this. We're removing all the softening in certain areas by doing this. And now what I'm going to do is increase my brush size using the bracket keys and remove the softening in the hair, because I don't want the hair to be softened with the negative clarity that we added, or the clarity that we took away, you could say. And just brushing around here, get this hair like this. Something like this is what we're going for, and get maybe this the edge of the face so you have some detail here. And something like that. Let's see, I'm going to hit the X key to go back to white and paint back here a little bit. All right, so let's see what we have. I'm going to hold down the Option key and click on the mask, and this will give me an idea of that's what I've painted in black. So that's what's showing through the mask, the original layer showing through in the black parts to reveal what was originally there. That is the non-soft areas. So I'll select this again, and just go back and hit my B for brush tool, and I'll hit the X to go back to black, and just make sure I've gotten everything here. So I think this is pretty thorough. So now if I select, let's see here, just making sure, if I undo this layer, you can see there's the original skin texture, And now if I add the layer back like this, make it visible again, you can see the before and the after and how much smoother the skin is. The nice thing is, because I did this layer as a smart object, the skin softening layer, I can always just double tap here on the camera raw and go back in and change the clarity layer later if I don't want it to be quite so soft like this. Maybe reduce it to 50, hit OK. And now without having to redo everything, I've adjusted the camera raw, the negative clarity to make the skin show through a little bit more. So it's still significantly softer now, but and smoother, but it's not overdone to the point of looking fake. Okay, so that's how you can soften skin for a woman in Photoshop. And this is Richard. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.